Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully you can have a whole vibe through peace and happiness through my painting tutorials today. It is the month of October, and I promised you guys that I was going to be doing all Halloween videos, so today's video is going to be Trippy Jack the Skeleton from Nightmare Before Christmas. I count this as a Halloween video, but I also do watch it for Christmas, so it's up to you. But this is going in one of my Halloween paintings. We're going to start with the background, and I am going to be using acrylic markers for the background. I focused on using the same 6 colors approximately over and over again. So right now I'm using a bluish color, and I'm using a base of a green. And I have this light pink that I'm doing, and as you can see on the left, I also had like this turquoise dark Laguna color. I really thought this like neon pink was cool, so I wanted to add it as well. Thought it complemented nicely with the light pink. It appears to be yellow, I feel like, but it's actually a light green color. It's not the same light green that's above of it, but it is a different like lime shade of green, whereas that's more of a light neon green. Other shades we have are orange, red, yellow. This is a purple color I'm working with. Lots of different colors to make it very vibrant. I'm using the purple to outline Jack's body. Outline, I mean, purple is just going to be the color that will be next to his black coat on both sides. Just trying to focus on getting different drips and angles so that we have multiple pattern waves going on in this picture. I used red on this side, but I know at one point I thought I was going to use purple. I guess I ended up using purple on this, but do whatever you want. You don't have to go the same color route as me. You could do pastels. You could do only 2 colors. You could do just black and white. You could do purple and yellow. That'd be super cool, honestly. I'd love to see that. But whatever you would like, whatever you please. I'm taking a black acrylic paint on some paintbrush, and I'm filling in Jack's coat and on the cat, and then I will eventually use this paint as well to outline his neck and his head. The first marker I used was terrible, so I had to go in with the second marker, and this worked much better. This is going to be the mouth for Jack, so I just drew a smiley face, and then I drew some crosses in it, crosses, I guess those would be actually. And then for the eyes, I honestly just go for it. Once I start, I don't stop, and I have a little bit of triangles for the nostrils, and then I just got to put some eyebrows on fleek right there, and we're almost done with his face. Now, don't forget to go back in and add the nose and the eyes for the little kitty cat. And we are going to also use this white to outline Jack's coat and jacket on the outer bits. Taking a purple acrylic marker, we're going to draw some trippy drips under Jack's eyes and then fill them in. And I'm sorry if you can hear a dog barking. He's going crazy. We live out in the middle of nowhere in Silver Bay. Once we finish that, we're going to sign our paintings. It's always good to sign them because you worked hard on that masterpiece. So you put your name on that. You know that. Now, I will say I bought the massive Mod Podge container. This thing was huge, but I'm so glad I bought it. I actually bought two because I've been doing a lot of puzzles and I like to Mod Podge them, so I bought some extra for that. But once I did that, it turned out beautiful. I hope you love this tutorial. This honestly is such a favorite of mine. I think it turned out really well. The sparkly pumpkin just adds to it. But anyway, stay tuned for the future Halloween videos and tutorials. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye, everyone.